उलयतना हांगा म्हणलें की आमी प्रयत्न करतले म्हणजे एन्युअल इव्हेंट करपाक. हांव ताका स्टेजीर सांगपाक सोदता तुका दुसरो उपाय ना. दिस वील बी एव्हरी इयर एन्युअल इव्हेंट तुजे टुरिझम कॅलेंडराचेर आसपाक जाय. यू मस्ट रियलायज वन थिंग, what is a Goan? What is there in Goa what everybody likes? Music and dance. It is there inculcated in us. What is not there in Goa, what is there elsewhere? A beautiful culture, the blending of the East and the West, the best looking people, and the people whom everybody appreciates are our Goan people. A true Goan is always welcoming, and whoever comes from any part of the world, Atitya Bhava Deva, everyone is most welcome like God. That is what we say, and that is what is truly representative of every Goan. In that spirit, today we are celebrating Dabolim Musical Waves. This park is an iconic park, as the Honorable Chief Minister said, and it has been so said by various authorities that it is the best park among panchayat areas in entire India. Remember that. I am further improving the park. Already estimates are approved. Perhaps another 10 crores I am spending to make it even more beautiful, so that it matches the best in the world in every sense of the word. This is the effort we take when I do something what is totally different. In the same way, I want to mention to you, we need a lot of water to water the plants here, 6,000 and odd trees. We don't use your drinking water. We get water generated by your garbage, which is from the wow plant, well out of waste, which is in the vicinity. I have done underground piping, so the messy thing of tankers moving up and down is not there. So this is something of a different kind. Our wow plant has been appreciated by the panchayat authorities in Delhi, by people from the Ministry of Urban Development and Rural Development, and they say that among panchayat areas it is the best plant considering the cost and the best ecosystem. So this is what has happened in this place. But most important of all, I want to say I bow to you, because this has happened only because of all of you lovely people standing by the good things, standing by the development, standing by what stands for Goa and Goans. And as Rohan rightly said, we are here to do good for Goa. We are here for a progressive Goa. We are here for the unity of all the people in Goa. There is no division whatsoever of any sort. And inclusive growth. Everybody should feel, yes, this is my government. Everybody should feel, yes, this is my tourism department. Yes, this is my event. And that's how all of you are here. So, once again, I don't want to take more time and make it sound like a political speech. You have come for the Dabolim Musical Waves. After this, your favorite band, Abang Ripost, is going to entertain you. I know most of you are going to be thoroughly enjoying it. And tomorrow, there is the other band, which also you will enjoy, 7 notes, several dances, several cultural events, and most important of all, we also have a fashion show lined up by none other than Mauvin Godinho, who is a world-renowned fashion designer. She has helped the top stars. She has designed dresses. She has designed everything for them which makes them look beautiful even at the Cannes Film Festival. And most important of all, tomorrow I want all of you to be there. There are going to be local women from Dabolim walking the ramp, half of them are from Dabolim. So you have to applaud them coming tomorrow. So these are the events which says involvement of the local people. Lastly, I want to compliment my paper bag unit. As a humble contribution to environment, we are having paper bags being made. They are showcasing it here, various type of bags. Weaves of the natives, our own very fabric of the kumbis, which is eco-friendly. You can wear it in rains, you can wear it in summer. It is one of the best fabric which is very friendly on your skin. Similarly, पुरमेंताचो एक स्टॉल घायला. आधी पुरमेंताचे फेस्ट म्हूण जाताले. म्हणजे कितें जे पावसान तुका तरी सुकें नुस्तें जाय, बांगडे जाय आनी कितें कितें दुसरे जाय ते पिकल जाय आनी कितें पावसान सोदले परस घरा कडेन नॅचरल स्टोरेज जाता. पुरमेंत म्हूण करताले. आतां फ्रीज येयला, सगळे येयला, लोकांक खबर ना. But traditionally we want to show it to the people. That's why that also is there, as well as the other stalls by the women there. So this is something which helps to showcase what is done locally by our women. Without taking much time, I only want to say and thank the Chief Minister, especially thank our Honorable Minister, my colleague and friend, Mr. Rohan Khaunte, Kedar Naik, as well as Kuldeep, for having made this happen. They are the people who helped to make it happen. Of course, there were various other people, whether it was Sanman, whether it was Aryan, and various other people. I thank you all as well, because you all were doing the planning, discussing the nitty-gritties, helping others to do it for us. So once again, Chod and Chod, Dev Bhare Karu. Thank you very much indeed. Enjoy the evening. Enjoy tomorrow as well.
तसेच जे आमचे लोक येतात तांकां आपल्या वाठारांत एक दोन दिसाचो खेळून मिळून एकामेकांक मेळटा आसतना यू आर एबल टू हॅव अ एंटरटेन इवनिंग. आणि मावळेची संकल्पना एकूच आशिल्ली की गोवा इज अबाउट कल्चर, गोवा इज अबाउट ट्रेडिशन, गोवा इज अबाउट हेरिटेज, गोवा इज अबाउट कलिनरी, गोवा इज अबाउट म्युझिक, गोवा इज अबाउट डान्स. आणि हो आमचो सगळो एक कडेन हाडटले जाल्यार आपल्याक असो जाय की आपल्या दाबोलीच्या लोकांक सगळ्यांनी एन्जॉय करपाक जाय, सगळ्यांक फायदो जावपाक जाय आणि आपल्याक एक बरो इव्हेंट करून दिलो. ताच्या खातीर हे 2 दिसाचे म्युझिकल वेव्स आयोजीत करून हाडिल्ले आसा. संदीपान म्हणलें काळजान खंय तरी दाबोली आसा म्हणून. आमकां काळजान गोंय लागीं आसा, पूण दाबोली लागीं हाडपाचें काम, सगळ्यांच्या काळजान वचून हात लावपाचें काम मावीन बाब करता. आणि ताच्या खातीर आज आमी हो इव्हेंट ताणें ज्या तरेन सुरवात करपाक लायली ती केल्ली आसा. मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन उलोवन हे फेस्टिवल मावीन बाबाच्या उल्यान आमी एन्युअल इव्हेंट करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. दाबोलीच्या लोकांक म्हाका दिसता टॅक्स काय लागना ताळयो मारपाक. टॅक्स लागतलो जाल्यार मारनाकात, नाल्यार ताळयो मार. जेन्ना इव्हेंट बरो आसता आणि जो मनीस फाटल्यान उबो रावन करून घेता ताचे परिश्रम तुम्ही ऑलवेज एप्रिशिएट करपाक जाय. ताजे फुडें आमी खूब इज मच मोर एक्सपिरियन्स आनी देर अ लॉट ऑफ टायम दॅट इज शेअर्स इन एक्सपिरियन्स एंड वी कीप लर्निंग फ्रॉम हिम ऑल्सो. ताणें इतलीं वर्सां अंडर वेरियस गव्हर्नमेंट्स काम केल्लें आसा आनी ताजे खुबशे देणगी गोंया खातीर, गोंयच्या डेव्हलपमेंटा खातीर, बाकीच्या खातीर आसात. आणि असले त्याच डेव्हलपमेंट एजेंडान असलो एक बरो कम्युनिटी पार्क तयार करप. जशें संदीपान म्हणलें, नॉट दाबोली, नॉट मोर्मुगांव, नॉट गोवा, बट वन इन द कंट्री म्हणून. जाल्यार हे विचार सुद्धा व्हरता आसतना आमकां इथे खुद्द शिकपाक मेळटा. हे सगळे विचारधारा फुडें व्हरपाक एज कलिग्स वी हॅव ऑलवेज बीन टुगेदर एंड वी विल ऑलवेज बी टुगेदर टू टेक गुड कॉजेस ऑफ गोवा अहेड. पर्यटन फुडें व्हरता आसतना आमचो पूर्ण श्रेय आसा, परिश्रम आसा की ही संकल्पना आसा की एक आमचे टुरिझम प्रिफर्ड डेस्टिनेशन म्हणून फुडें व्हरता आसतना फक्त सरकार न्हय जाल्यार सगळे लोक आमचे एम्बेसेडर म्हणून ताणें आपापले हातूंत वावुरचें, काम करचें आनी गोंयचें नांव एज प्रिफर्ड डेस्टिनेशन सदांच मॅपार वयर दवरचें म्हणून. आज आनी फाल्यां 2 दिसाचे इव्हेंट जितले पार्टिसिपंट्स आसात सगळ्यांक आमच्यो शुभेच्छा. अशेंच दाबोलीचो अंडर द डायनेमिक लिडरशीप ऑफ आमचो मित्र माविन गोदिनो अशेंच फुडें पावलां काडटले, दाबोली रायजिंग करीत रावतले अशी आशा बाळगिता आनी मागीर 2 उतरां सोंपयता. देव बरें करूं. जय हिंद, जय गोवा.
This Dabolim musical event is going to go a long way, and I'm sure that every year this event will be happening, and it will be a part of our tourism calendar as well. Speaking of this event will have 2 days musical as well as dance performances. We have curated this event in such a way that you will be able to see all different type of performances. We have our urban post today, and tomorrow we have a different type of musical, and I'm sure that you will enjoy this event. Thank you all for giving me opportunity to welcome you all here.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.